Hey Autofiber team, do you hate cleaning windows? I do too. So, I showed you a little bit about a sneak peek on the Reacher Kit. Now I'm going to go more in depth. So the Reacher Kit, it does have a threaded end. So if you needed to get, say, behind the cab, between the cab of a pickup truck and a bed cap, you could add add an extension. And then it does flip and kind of conform to make things easier for you. And I know this is a big concern for a lot of people, a lot of detailers and people cleaning their vehicle. It is a soft a soft foam block. So it's not a hard metal block. So you're not gonna, if you bump something and you're touching the interior, it's not gonna scratch your interior. It's all pretty soft. So that's always good for us detailers. And then what we have here is we have the quilted or waffle weave side of the kit. And then on the other side, this will look familiar to you if you're familiar with the Dreadnought. It's a similar pile. So, this is more of a scrubbing side, and then this is kind of your streak-free final wipe side. And the reason I like this in particular, it's difficult. I can't reach that corner of my windshield. And this is a pretty small car, but I can't reach the corner of that windshield. I can only reach this corner. So if you're trying to save time and just effort, you don't want to get out of the car, go around just to get this corner. Well, guess what? The Reacher Kit easily reaches. I'm not even fully extended. I'm not even pushed up in my seat. We've all been there. We've all been crushed into a different seat, and you see how it can kind of adjust on the fly, and look how it gets right there where my mirror is. And so this is all stuff that I don't have to contort my body. It can get to every angle within the car just from one seating position, okay? And if you've seen our video of the mid on a stick, it's a similar situation. We can use it from one side of the vehicle and not have to go to the other. It doesn't sound like a lot, but let me tell you, over time, that adds up, and we don't want to add that time to our day. So this is a great product. You should definitely check this out. You'll get streak-free from this side, and you can always flip it inside out, as it is a flip design, which means you can get a completely clean side just by flipping it inside and out. So check it out, Reacher Kit from Autofiber.